Hidden in the quiet town of Molsheim, France, every Bugatti Chiron begins its journey inside one of the world's most exclusive automotive workshops. The process starts with aerospace-grade aluminum, carefully selected for its incredible strength, lightweight construction, and unmatched structural performance. Massive aluminum blocks are precisely cut into manageable sections before entering high-precision machining centers that shape every component to microscopic tolerances. Every machining operation is digitally programmed, ensuring each part meets Bugatti's uncompromising standards before production even begins. Every milling operation is carefully monitored, producing perfectly machined surfaces capable of handling the enormous forces generated by the Chiron. Alongside aluminum, Bugatti relies on aerospace-grade carbon fiber, one of the strongest and lightest materials available in automotive engineering. Computer-controlled cutting systems prepare every carbon fiber layer with incredible accuracy before skilled technicians begin the hand-laying process. Each sheet of carbon fiber is positioned entirely by hand, ensuring the weave pattern and fiber direction maximize both strength and beauty. Vacuum sealing removes every trace of trapped air, allowing the composite material to cure into an incredibly rigid single-piece structure. For hours, precisely controlled temperatures transform flexible carbon sheets into one of the strongest automotive chassis ever engineered. When curing is complete, the flawless carbon fiber monocoque emerges, lightweight, incredibly strong, and ready for final finishing. Specialized CNC machines trim every edge with extreme precision, preparing the carbon chassis for its first mechanical components. Advanced laser scanners verify every dimension, ensuring the carbon monocoque matches Bugatti's exact engineering specifications. Precision-machined aluminum subframes are carefully attached, providing mounting points for the engine, suspension, and drivetrain. Each suspension mounting point is aligned with incredible accuracy, ensuring perfect vehicle handling at speeds beyond 400 kilometers per hour. Attention now shifts to the heart of the Chiron, the legendary 8-liter W16 engine, assembled entirely by hand. The forged steel crankshaft is carefully installed, forming the backbone of an engine capable of producing extraordinary power. 16 forged pistons are installed one by one, each lubricated and measured to ensure flawless operation under extreme conditions. Timing chains and camshafts synchronize every moving component, allowing all 16 cylinders to perform in perfect harmony. Each of the Chiron's 4 turbochargers is assembled and balanced with exceptional care, ready to deliver breathtaking performance. The quad turbochargers are mounted onto the engine, dramatically increasing airflow and unlocking the Chiron's incredible horsepower. A sophisticated fuel delivery system ensures every cylinder receives precisely the right amount of fuel under every driving condition. An advanced cooling system manages enormous amounts of heat, allowing the W16 engine to perform reliably at extraordinary speeds. After hundreds of carefully executed assembly steps, the legendary W16 engine stands complete, a true masterpiece of modern engineering.